Made it to Nanyuki. It was the journey was like 3 hours long, 3 hours plus.
Good morning. So this is my view after waking up. Nanyuki is so pretty because what? Yeah, the trees are just looking fine and the sun is shining. Wow, I love it. So I quickly came down for breakfast, and as you can see, this is what I'm having for breakfast. So today we are going to take a long journey to Borana Conservancy.
Alikuwa anacheza.
Hi, DC.
Kama kuna nichukue kwa hao. Okay, sawa.
Fit check.
It's okay. Let me pick some wine. Everybody else is doing. Sorry. I'm the only one wearing jewelry. Like, guys, jewelry in the wild because I'm a fashionista like that. Yeah. You know? Yeah. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you too. Hi, guys.
Yeah.
How you doing? Hello, hello. My mask, I don't know why. When you get to here, yes, I'm them Beverly. I'm filming here. It's something.
So as I mentioned earlier, we are going to Borana Conservancy, which is in MERU County, and I'm guessing it's like more than an hour from Nanyuki.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Stenyoo, and I am reporting live from Nanyuki. And guess what, guys? That's not even the best part. The best part is my view from here is Mount Kenya. Like, how cool! I know you probably can't see it, but I'll get views for you. Yeah, so I'm in Nanyuki and I volunteered for an event, for a biking event with the Mount Kenya Trust. Yeah, so that's how I ended up here. I'm here for like 5 days, so it's about to be like really lit. I'm so excited. Anyway, I just wanted to like say thank you for 680 plus subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always staying tuned. I hope you'll stay tuned up until the end of this vlog because I'm camping. We're actually camping, so we are sleeping in the wild. So that's about to be really like an interesting week. I think I'm happy because I used to be a scout back in the days, back in high school. Actually, from primary, I used to be a scout, so it's like I'm reliving my scouting days, like sleeping in the wild on a tent and everything. So, yeah, that's pretty much exciting. Anyway, I know I've made this intro like so long, but thank you guys for always staying tuned. I'm still working on my mental, just an update. Guys, can you see Mount Kenya from here? Imagine how pretty.
The biking event is sponsored by Mount Kenya Trust and other organizations. So along the few days, I'm going to tell you more about it. But today, we're just going to take a road trip from Nanyuki, because right now we're in Nanyuki to Borana Conservancy. So you guys, just stay tuned.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a red light.
Yeah. Do you have another radio?
No, only have one. Only one.
Yeah. Yeah, so at all the time, please ensure that it is on channel 1. That is
Okay.
channel 1 all the time.
Yeah.
And then volume. I think that's the highest volume.
Somewhere here, okay.
To ensure that at least it is, you can be able to hear anyone is calling you.
Yeah.
Alright.
So it's up to you to know which water point. Are you in water point or?
But it's been told, but yeah.
So I found a nursery and I want to like go and check it out. Let's check out the nursery. Here comes it. I'd really love such a plant like this one. I don't know what it's called. Do you know the name of this plant?
No. The
Yeah. Cacti.
Yeah, but which specific one it is, I have no idea.
Yeah. I'd really love one like inside the house.
And we are back in town to print a few papers and also get a few snacks because we won't be coming to back in town up until the whole event has ended. So a few snacks here and there are very important. Yeah, and lately my life has been so interesting. It has taken an interesting turn and I'm left like, whoa. Yeah, so I usually say, though I haven't said it here before, I usually say the company you keep or the friends you keep influence a lot in your life. So shout out to Miss DC, who actually asked me if I wanted to volunteer for this trip. If it wasn't for her, then I wouldn't have taken this trip in the first place. So yes, I volunteered for this. And guys, I just got to know that things like this actually really exist. Like you can actually volunteer for stuff like this. I didn't know, but just to highlight, yes, this was a volunteered trip. As I think I mentioned it in my intro, I volunteered and everything is catered for. I just had to show up. Of course, I'm going to be working. I'm going to be working. The only thing is that we're not getting paid, but every other thing is catered for. We have reached the entry to Ngarendare, and if you're a wanderlust or you love traveling, visiting new places, then you must be familiar with Ngarendare, the waterfalls. So this is the entry to the waterfalls and the forest. And here is the starting point where we have to register. Yeah, you register and then we are headed inside. So we're about to go to Borana village. Yes, and it's in Borana village where we will still head till Borana Conservancy, where we will be camping
On the way on the hills, we spotted a few animals and we spotted an ostrich. Well, it was far and my phone can't really zoom all the way, but yeah, the sceneries, oh my goodness, like this place is beautiful, so very beautiful. And fun fact, they're actually villagers living around here, so you just see them walking. And I haven't seen like houses per se, but there are people living around here.
So we are finally here. The road trip has been so cool. Seeing the animals, seeing all those views. Oh my god, I can't wait to start pitching up our tents. But we are here.
So we are here, we are at the camping grounds, and we have to pitch our tents. So that's what we're gonna do. But the sun is scorching, it's so hot. It is so freaking hot. So this is our sleeping area. We're about to pitch up our tents. As you can see, this is where all the participants are. Yeah, and we're about to pitch ours over there. Our tent is finally up, and as you can see, it is so dirty inside. I don't think the people who used this tent before thought of cleaning it, so we had to improvise a broom. And DC came up with the bright idea of using branches with leaves, and it worked. So I was just trying to help out getting the dirt. Guys, let me show you what we've come across. We've decided to explore the camping area, and as you can see, this route leads to the VIP section. There's also a VIP section in the camping area where there are already tents that are pitched. As we go along that route, you'll see. But yeah, we just came across this river, and how cool that the VIP have a river to themselves. I know, right? It's so cool. Bye. Vibes
Vibes for
and
sure.
inshallah.
We found a spot.
Yeah, we found that we know our spot. We know our spot, guys. You should know people.
So that has been the tour around the campsite. I'll show you more tomorrow as I am so tired. We need to go for our mattresses so that we can get settled in our tents and get some rest. Definitely take a shower and get some rest. Oh, plus we have to eat before taking that rest. So enjoy the rest of this vlog and stay tuned for part 2.